Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the calendar view options on the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and enter your PIN number or add your Touch ID in order to log in. Tap on the settings button down below on the right side, scroll down to the personal section and click on calendar view, which is the third option. Here you can display three features: intercourse log, so mark the days you have sex, protected or unprotected. You can also display ovulation and fertility info, so take note of when you are more or less likely to get pregnant, and the pill tracking can be also displayed, so tap on the relevant ones that you would like to display and tap on this button at the top of the screen, so everything will be updated automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.